Hola. Let's go. Woo! I know y'all be having fun with the recap, so we gonna take it up a notch on this episode with keywords from faith vocabulary. So let me get a word. See what I can do with it. Believe, yeah. First on the list, essential ingredient you don't wanna miss. And you can read Mark 9:23. Jesus say if you believe impossibility don't exist. Speak what you believe and you will see. Many mountains move and cast into the sea. Speaking and believing go hand in hand if you wanna become an expert in moving mountains. Bow, but that brother never gets old. Food chased on fire, he never gets cold. In fact, he causing trouble for the devil's household. This matter no go settle till the devil pack a go. Down. We gon' give it red card, get out. Cause a believer got no room for doubt. I can shout. This faith walk is very, very loud. So if you wanna get victory, you better open your mouth. Open your mouth, hey, you better open your mouth. My people to clear it out, you better open your mouth. Sarasuke. Hey, Sarasuke. Know that this guy. Accountable to my community, I'm passionately walking in love, peace, and humility. Unity in the faith is how we fellowship, so you can check the MO if you need some credibility. I pull my vocabulary on display, see positivity, possibility, opportunity every day. Trusting in God's ability every day. Impossibility don't exist and negativity is a miss. It's Gamie, you already know. Let's go.